Our service covers renewable energy, intelligent robots, medical electronics, industrial control, IoTs and automotive electronics. Meanwhile, we offer fully R&D supports, core components proposing, alternative components options, embedded software and hardware development, mechanical design, DFM and so on. In addition, we provide professional turnkey service, PCBA manufacturing, SMT, BIP, conform coating, full function test, finished product assembly. With our high-efficient supply chain management experience, we offer one-stop and easy procurement solutions for electronic components, plastic and metal parts. Our company's material warehousing management is scientifically standardized. The factory workshop has adequate production and testing equipment, stencil making machine, laser engraving machine, high-ended equipment such as Yamaha and Juki SMT high-speed SMT mounting machines, solder paste detectors, intelligent first article, inspection mechanism, 3D OE, 3D X-ray, wave soldering lens, conform coating spraying lines, and visual intelligent plate splitters, so as to meet kinds of customer demands. Flexible scheduling and flexible production between SMTP lines can achieve a daily production capacity of 40 million pins. For dip lines can achieve a daily production capacity of 1.5 million pins. Freehand soldering lines can achieve a daily production capacity of 600,000 pins, and 5 conform coating lines can spray 20,000 PCS. 3 finished product assembly lines can achieve a production capacity of 15,000 pieces per day. In addition, it is also equipped with 2 quick prototyping lines. 1 piece of PCBA can be assembled within 24 hours.